Hi there, my name is Brandon and welcome to OSI Go Direct, your go-to place for DIY security products. Chances are you've just purchased the brand new released OSI Smart Alarm System Gen 2 and selected that video tutorial during the setup wizard. However, we are currently in the process of fine-tuning that quick start video, which is slated for later this December. In the meantime, we suggest revisiting the same section of that wizard that brought you here and opting for the quick tutorial manual instead. If you encounter any challenges or require assistance, please start by checking out our comprehensive knowledge base on our official website at www.osigodirect.com. If your query still remains unresolved, please don't hesitate to create a support ticket on that same website, and our highly knowledgeable support agents will assist you within the next business day. We genuinely appreciate your patience and support of our business. If you're enjoying your OSI Smart Alarm System Gen 2, we invite you to share your positive feedback on the online store which you've made your purchase. Every single positive review that you make helps fuel our ability to enhance support and offer more budget-friendly DIY security products to our valued customers. Thank you and have a fantastic day.